Next up, 2013 Top Supreme Football, dual box break number 3. Angelo M, Jets and Raiders. Audrey B, welcome Audrey, Bengals and Cowboys. Bob D's got the Browns and Redskins. Jamie O with the Bears Dolphins. Jason S, Cardinals Broncos. Jeremy M, Ravens and Seahawks. Joey C has the Panthers Eagles. John B with the Steelers Niners. Ken G, Lions and Vikings. Kirk S, Chiefs and Giants. Christopher N, Chargers and Buccaneers. Reagan N, Colts and Patriots. Stephen E, Falcons Rams. Thomas K, Bills and Texans. And Trey G, Packers, Jaguars, Saints, and Titans. All right. Oh, wow. We'll start out with an Andrew Luck blue to 112 for the Colts for Reagan. Le'Veon Bell to 75. Oh, redemption. Drew Brees to 170. Is this the big one? Told you. What did I tell you? How did I know? How did I know? How could I have known that? It's not like it was heavy or anything. It was a redemption. Autographed team logo patch book card. I told you. You didn't listen. Jordan Reed. Oh, I hyped that up and then it was Jordan Reed. But still. Bob D. Autographed team logo patch book card. I don't even care who it is. That has to be an amazing card. I don't care if it's the center for the Redskins. There we go, Bob. Nice to get Bob D a nice hit. Bob D's, he's due for a nice one. All right, next box. Ooh, another redemption. Watch is going to be 2 crazy hits. Barcavius Mingo to 112 blue. Giovanni Bernard to 170, and then Giovanni Bernard to 99. Why can't I say Giovanni Bernard? That's weird. What did I tell you? Dual autograph patch book red parallel. I tried to tell you. I felt like there was going to be some big stuff here. What's this one? Jamal Charles and Darren McFadden. Chiefs and Raiders. Kirk S. and Angelo M. They're going to a random battle. Rasmus, can you put this on the Twitter? And just say, from the same break, well, it's 2 boxes. From the same dual box break of Supreme or something. All right, we got to do a random on this really quick. Man, I want to see if you guys ever get these redeemed. Post them on the forums or something. I want to see what these look like. Or post them on Twitter. I got to see that Jordan Reed autographed team logo patch book card. It's crazy. It's got to be crazy. All right. Jamal Charles is Kirk S. Who has 1 spot. And the Oakland Raiders, is Angelo who has 1 spot. So it's going to be an old-fashioned one-on-one random. You ready, guys? Here we are on random.org. Kirk S. and Angelo each have 1 spot in the break. 8 times. We'll see who comes out on top. And number 8, Angelo comes out on top. Dual autos.